coming down. Yeah,
Because
the
of
warm
the
weather.
weather, the warm weather and all that. So yeah. Hi, enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
What's this?
That's
You want to see yourself in the boat, on the boat?
the media. For now,
She's videoing herself. You know, you're supposed to video the group.
the group.
Well, not me.
You're part
No,
of the
thanks.
group. You're part of my one. Say hi. Say hi lagi.
Bubble gums.
No. Aquarium.
Hungry.
No. Gutom.
Oh wait, maybe we can find a.
Say gutom.
Maybe we can get a
Maybe you say gutom.
tuna.
You say
We're going out there.
gutom.
They take the fishing rod to get a tuna.
I told you to bring your fishing rod.
They're downstairs.
Those are not for salt water.
Well, you can use it for saltwater, but they wouldn't catch much or anything.
Go to the
Long Beach Transit?
pwesto
That
siguro
boat
gawa
just went out. It says Long Beach Transit.
Ready na sila mag-jump once
Casting off.
Once they see the well, they're gonna jump.
Tago yung taon
What?
si Jessie pag iyong happy birthday. Kaya man yung sa Lindsay. As in.
It's warm.
Dili na make up. Hindi mo dili ko. Ora ni boto si Lindsay to.
We can just go hang out on the boat.
Tawag ko nag-unsa na ba? Wa man itubag. Magkawig ko sila tapos ilang katawan magkawig din.
Pati buhok.
Oo. Kaya nga rin ko sa Lindsay eh.
Kailan mo na pagkamalan
Kanina
kanina?
nga, pagdating namin sa bahay nila. Nakakita na ba dahil siya Lindsay gabi? Akala ko sa Lindsay, magkapit kasi. Pati katawan. Hindi, nag-sweet talaga ito, Teo.
Ha? Movie!
Casting bow line, cast the F line, and off we go.
Go!
Tapos ko na sila gabi eh.
Hey, we're going back.
Saan ka?
Nice day out. That's a nice
Paano
cruise
naman di
ship.
mo kusog mo dagan? Kams apat na maabot yan. Ay, Tino? Awan sa Manila.
Kasi laging kami ni Ani o ni sa ano ni kami sa Manila. Nagkuan ni kadang kuan ka kung kuan ni ano ni Sharon kana lagi advertise sa una.
Super cut.
Pagkawa man ato Manila sa Cebu.
We used to have a boat out on the lake. We had this big long ski boat we tied behind the boat.
Wala lagi ni Ani nga.
We would do is get a big tire inner
Hindi mo na sila mabiyay ba?
and on the
Biya sa
rope,
gihapon
tie
sa
the rope,
biyahan pero
pull up,
mabiyahan sila pero
inner
safe
like
ano
this,
ba?
and hold the rope, and they drag you around the
Ah,
lake.
same.
60
Kailangan
miles
lang
an hour.
ano
That
na
was
ay
fun.
okay sa
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Lost Spotter. Real quick, need to go over life-saving equipment and safety on board. Life jackets are located inside the main cabin underneath the seating. Life jackets go on in the event of an emergency just like a vest, and they fasten in the front. Life rafts are located on the upper deck of the back of the boat. They're designed to float freely on the road if needed.
My
We
level.
also have life tow rings and fire extinguishers located throughout the boat. While moving around the boat, it's very important that we're walking, not anybody running, jumping, or standing on the benches. And if you're not seated, we ask you please hold on to handrails. Also, you want to make sure you watch your steps, especially going up and down the stairways and going in and out of the cabin.
You again, dude.
Restrooms are located on the main deck in the back of the boat. Feel free to use the restrooms at any time. If anything happens to one of the restrooms, just let one of the crew members know, and we'll take care of it for you. And if you want anything to snack on or drink during the trip, feel free to stop by our snack bar and see Litzy. She has candy, chips, soda, water, and ice cold beer. We also have Luis on board. He's a naturalist from the Aquarium of the Pacific, as we talking about what we're looking for this afternoon. Other than that, sit back, relax. Once again, welcome aboard.
Manapit si Ate. Nabisi na po siya.
Dito na lang.
Okay, we can watch baseball.
Facebook na pre dyan.
Gusto mo ganyan?
Ikaw ba na din na kaya ikaw may managing park.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, thank you.
harbor now.
Just so in the harbor.
So where do they launch the fireworks from?
You was there. Then the firework by Queen Mary.
Oh,
We watch here.
It's over here. The Queen Mary is
we're
over
down
here.
here 1 year for it.
Naghabot tong video sa ate kay ato. Mahira mo tayo mga video. Babay na?
Doon sa kabila kung ano. Parang ano pa siya, active siya. Akala ko, inano ko siya. Akala ko,
Ang haba. Nasa 20 minutes. 19 minutes pala, no?
Yeah.
Ang firework.
There's the old girl, and there's the submarine.
kasi nakikita ko si Joy, mga notification, pero hindi ko na ma-open.
Ah.
Hindi ko na siya
They
ma-open.
used to
Pero
be
mga
towards that
notification,
submarine over there by the Queen Mary. They don't anymore.
Oh, yeah?
Ikaw, nag-notify ka kahapon.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our Well Watch of today. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July yesterday and ready for going out today in the ocean and look for some whales, some animals that were excited today to have you here. If it's your first time, welcome. But yes, my name is Luis with the Aquarium of the Pacific, and we're gonna go and look for some animal for about 2 hours or so. We're gonna look for some signs to have a better experience. One of them, first one is a lot of birds diving into the ocean. Like at some point, there's a lot of food there, so that's a great indicator of the following. Could be a lot of splashing. That means a lot of dolphins might follow up. And if you see a burst of mist or a glow later on, that will mean it's a whale. So we're 150 guests today, lots of eyes, so I need your help, all of us. And we're gonna use for communication just the old school clock here at the boat at 12 o'clock, on the right side here at 3 o'clock, behind on the stern 6 o'clock, and on the port at 9 o'clock. For example, if you see something far away, let's use the Carnival Cruise as an example. Let's shout it out. 2 o'clock. So everybody's pointing that way. And Captain Chris is gonna slow down if it's something, and so you have time to take pictures, make some videos as well. But yes, let's have fun today. Remember, you can walk all over. If it's too cold, when we cross the break wall, it gets a little colder, more windy. So be very careful with just baseball hats. They fly away. We never see it again. So. But yeah, it happened many times, but just be careful. And also no jumping or running, but you are welcome to walk all the way, all the boat. You feel too cold. Also come here at front if you want to do your, I know you want to, your Titanic picture, please do so. So yes, let's have fun today. There's a lot of snacks down there. Here with Wadlin from the Aquarium of the Pacific too. If you have any extra questions, yeah, other than that, let's have a great day together. Thank you.
Yeah, you got to have your passport. Well, me, I would need to
Yeah, for you.
passport.
Yeah, for us, make sure that you're
I can't believe that ship used to go back and forth across the ocean.
What is the round one right there? The white one. The white one.
That's where they use different airplane inside there.
Nari naman sila. Nari man sila mo sa kay Tigali.
Yung ano niya pa ang maganda yung Disney Cruise.
Disney Cruise?
Mahal lang.
Ay, mahal na siya.
Mahal man ba? 5,000.
Parang ganun.
Yun na na. I-continue lang.
Ano siya? Ayan, ano ko siya mamaya. Nasaan na si Daisilin?
Galing po nila Linti ata.
Ning ano? Ning labas. Naana, malapit.
Mamaya pag nakuan na. Nasa lalim na tayo.
Dito bumutin to dito. Matunog pa lamang balik to. Natunog pa na ito oh. Pamatuli lang doon.
Namasong kayo?
Wow, lintan
Nananaw
aura.
kami. Kaya na matulog.
Ikaw yung kaibigan niyo gusto mamasong sila.
Wala siya nakaano.
Wala tuloy.
Kaya nasarado naman. Close naman kung ano. Ngit-ngit na. Pag uli na mo, 11 na.
Pag nanonood kayo ng ano, ng firework, may plano silang fishing. Madaming mangyari kasi ano, daming tao kahit pag nakalikan mahilo. Kayo po yan!
Yeah, well, I go out there, I've lost it twice.
Okay. That one you can like it.
I started to go up on the deck and it went, whee!
Now, it's cold.
Kaya man la Linti.
They're up there.
Malamig doon?
Nice out there. Yeah, it was big.
Mag-stop eh doon sa ano? Pinakagitna. Mag-stop.
Tudahin na kay gahi na sarado.
Mag-stop na siya.
Pag may pag mayroon na,
Pag may ano siya.
Uy, ibaba. Ang river ning kuan, tindog. Nag-zipper.
mga pras na
Dahil dito, ingon na oh. Kasapong ang kaldero.
Katapungan na.
Right, madud sa gawas. Nindot sa gawas na.
Lakit. Lakit man doon na. Kasi naman.
Unda na oh, nay kuan, nay gawas mga way. Mga dolphin no.
Palalim pa tayo ng palalim.
Wala pa ni.
Makikita na natin ang Catalina Island.
Oh, talaga? Pero mag-stop na siya doon.
Ama, Catalina oh, hindi mo na.
Makitap na sila, basta may makita na.
I-announce Manila.
Nandito pa tayo sa harbor.
Wa pa ta nakagawas sa kuan.
Ganyan din ang panahon akong sakay. Dami kong tanong, kailan ba natin papunta? Sabi niya, ate, nasa harbor pa tayo. Ay, wala pala dito yun.
Abis na ta magawas sa ano. Tay sitot.
Pagka makaano.
Malapit na ta makagawas sa pader to ah.
Amo na yung pag sa balot.
Nandito na tayo sa San Pedro.
Wa pa ta nakagawa sa Coral. Ding unda ni taon-taon.
And friends, what you see in front of you, these rock formations that you see here in front of us, is what we call the breakwater, or breakwater, as locals call it.
Pumunta kami dyan.
It's actually extends from about 8.4 miles and divided in 3 sections. This gate that you see here in front of you is the Long Beach Gate, called Queens Gate. And up north, on the Los Angeles side, is called Angels Gate.
What, the
It's,
battleship, Iowa?
It was built actually for the intention of Navy boats, vessels, ships to come and dock on this side of the port without the currents and waves. And it's built actually with rocks brought all the way from Catalina Island. It's about 50 feet deep. And once we cross the Queens Gate, we'll be in the open ocean, so we're gonna catch some speed, go a little faster.
Abay daw yung kauna nabasa na sa linti kaya oh.
Hopefully not too bumpy, but yes. Again, feel free to walk around. If you feel cold, you can go downstairs too, in the galley.
Hard to catch your breath.
Oh, wow.
I remember those signs we were looking for as well. Those birds diving in the ocean and the splashing from dolphins or the big burst of mist or a glow.
Arang tong nawa?
On the way back, we're going to be talking about the landmarks that you see here, the port of Long Beach, the Queen Mary, the Dome, the Oil Islands, and more.
Paggawas na yun? Paggawas ani? Paggawas ani ba? Matuwa pagiting na kuan. Basta kay niyo ko. Uy, wait a minute. Parang numuran ako ng lain. Nalilong na ko. Naglain, naghamuntiyan. Ay ko.
Naggatun today ka?
Ha? Naggatun ko.
Sa una naggatun ko din pero sige mo sakit Mark ko din ako naggatun.
Nagusa ka?
Kasi ko sakit Mark. Dili ko maano ba?
Sugon ko.
Pinahaglan na ako yung ani. Kay dahol
Ayan na, pagawas na ta.
Naggatun. Magsige magkubiyay Mindoro good. Sa 3 hours pa yan ang barko.
Sugod nagladyo-gladyo ko. O na. Dinhit ko.
Yeah.
Sugod nagladyo-gladyo. Gawas na tag pader. Ano kay pader dito? Oh? Ito lagi wa pa inani ba or pang ano? Manahan nila oh? Manahan nila dito ba? Ano mo? Ano lang niya nakilay ka rin yung linti? Center?